The deadly battle between Israel and Hamas just took another deadly turn. In a precision operation, the Israeli Defense Forces have reportedly eliminated a senior Al-Qassam Brigade fighter, accused of leading a recent ambush on Israeli troops near the Gaza border. This targeted strike, carried out using a drone, has sent shockwaves through the entire region, and it has also raised one big question. Will Hamas strike back? Well, according to Israeli officials, the fighter played a key role in coordinating attacks on IDF patrols earlier this particular month. The operation was described as surgical but decisive, with intelligence reportedly confirming his presence before the strike. Here, the IDF says that it was a part of a broader campaign to dismantle Hamas's military leadership, which they claim, by the way, is rebuilding rapidly despite the ongoing ceasefire talks. But this move, it has already triggered fears of retaliation here. Hamas has vowed to respond at a right time and place, warning that Israel's action will not go unanswered. In the meantime, security sources in Gaza, they say that militant units have been placed on high alert, while Israel has reinforced its southern border, anticipating possible rocket fire or maybe infiltration attempts. Now, this whole strike also comes at a time when the ceasefire in Gaza, it is hanging by a thread. Despite months of mediation by Egypt, Qatar, the US, small clashes and tit-for-tat strikes have actually continued. The IDF argues that these targeted operations are very, very important to prevent future attacks. But here, analysts warn that they risk reigniting a full-scale conflict once again. Observers note here that Israel's new strategy under US President Mr. Donald Trump's administration's renewed regional focus involves eliminating threat before they escalate, a stark shift from the restraint seen in recent months. In the meantime, Hamas's political wing has been trying really hard to regain influence, specifically after recent public criticism over governance failures and reconstruction delays in Gaza. Defense analysts also say that this could set off a dangerous cycle of revenge. Now, every time Hamas takes out a key Hamas militant, the group feels pressurized to respond, not just militarily we are talking about, but symbolically. And this is just to maintain credibility among the Palestinians. And wait, that's where the real danger lies. The Gaza border, already very tense, it can actually erupt again. A single rocket, a single miscalculation, and the whole region could plunge back into chaos. As one Middle East expert put it very simply, this isn't just a targeted strike, it is a message. But whether that message leads to deterrence or disaster, well, that depends on what Hamas does next.